Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Disha Panchal with an update on India weather. Heat wave continues as IMD predicts monsoon arrival relief. Here's your latest India weather update, where millions across the country are waiting for relief from extreme heat as weather agencies closely track the arrival of the southwest monsoon. India is currently experiencing two very different weather stories at the same time. While northern and central regions continue battling dangerous heatwave conditions, southern states are beginning to see increasing pre-monsoon activity, signaling that seasonal weather changes may be approaching. Let's begin with the heat situation. Large parts of North India remain under intense heat stress, with temperatures in several regions pushing into the mid and upper 40 degrees Celsius range. Delhi and nearby areas continue to experience extremely hot daytime conditions, while several districts in northern states remain under heatwave alerts. Weather officials have warned that severe heat conditions could continue through the coming days. For millions of people, the big question remains: when will relief arrive? According to recent forecasts, the southwest monsoon is expected to continue progressing after showing signs of advancing towards southern regions. Kerala is being closely watched because it traditionally marks the beginning of the monsoon season over the India mainland. Forecasts suggest monsoon activity may begin affecting Kerala around the expected period, while pre-monsoon showers increase across nearby states. Southern states including Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and nearby regions are already seeing growing thunderstorm and rainfall activity. Weather departments have warned of heavy rain in some locations along with gusty winds and localized disruptions. But even as rainfall begins appearing in some areas, experts say relief for North India may still take time. Meteorologists explain that monsoon movement happens gradually and does not immediately spread across the entire country. Areas facing severe heat may continue seeing hot and dry conditions before the rain belt advances further inland. Another major factor being closely monitored this year is the possibility for developing El Nino conditions. Climate experts say warmer ocean temperatures in the Pacific can influence rainfall patterns and temperatures across India. Some projections suggest this year's overall seasonal rainfall could trend below normal, although that does not necessarily mean every region will experience reduced rainfall equally. Some places may still receive intense rain events even if seasonal totals end up lower than average. Health authorities are also urging people living in heat-affected regions to take precautions. Residents are being advised to stay hydrated, avoid prolonged exposure to direct sunlight during afternoon hours, and limit strenuous outdoor activities during peak temperatures. For people in southern states expecting rain and thunderstorms, officials recommended staying updated with local forecasts and preparing for possible travel delays or temporary disruptions due to changing weather conditions. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you.